Bill Cushenbery was among the most influential custom car designers and builders of the mid-20th century, where he opened a shop and began chopping and rebuilding factory cars into one-of-a-kind masterpieces, like the El Matador. This car attracted a clientele seriously interested in show cars, and Bill built several that are legendary. But the car Cushenbery is best known for was called the Silhouette. With this first scratch-built custom car of its kind, Bill won the Tournament of Fame Award at the 1963 National Roadster Show in Oakland, California, and was thrust into the company of a small group of men who dominated the West Coast show car scene. After his success with the Silhouette, Bill designed and started building what would become his last custom car, the Space Coupe. A one-of-a-kind, handmade aluminum body on a Corvair chassis with a bubble top. And since the car was so low to the ground, his original design had no doors. You simply stepped into it. Here's Bill working on the Space Coupe in his Monterey shop in 1963. No doors. Bill continued work on the Space Coupe between commissions from Barris, and he refurbished cars for Steve McQueen and Frank Sinatra and several owners of Mercedes 300 SLs. The car that introduced gull-wing doors, which clearly inspired Bill with a new design idea for the Space Coupe. Here he is in his North Hollywood shop in 1966, fashioning a variation of gull-wing doors, although they don't hinge on the top like the 300 SLs, but at the back of the bubble top. Another Cushenbery innovation we're calling bat-wing doors. Sadly, before Bill could finish the car, he had a falling out with his financiers and moved to another shop, thinking that once the dispute was over, he would get the Space Coupe back and finish it. Unfortunately, that never happened, and the Space Coupe went missing for 3 decades, ultimately lost to Bill forever. He passed away in December 1998. 5 months later, we found the Space Coupe on a ranch in El Cajon, California, in terrible condition, having sat out in the elements for years. We hauled the much-abused car to Darryl Starbird's Rod and Custom Hall of Fame Museum in Oklahoma. We patched it up enough to exhibit briefly, then stored it for several years. In May 2016, we took the Space Coupe out of storage and hauled it back to Los Angeles. We'll be exhibiting it for the pleasure of automotive design enthusiasts everywhere.